Got the gallery open till 10 for you and your friend.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be making some body lotion. So the first few clips are just of me showing you some of the ingredients that I'll be using. So I have cocoa butter, shea butter, all my oils. I'm using distilled water for this recipe, as well as emulsifying wax and what was the last one? Cetyl alcohol.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers. And we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I.
So I also wanted to include some of the tools I'm using. So I have my scale and then my stick blender. Both I purchased from Amazon. So here is my recipe. You can screenshot this. And then we're just going to get into the video. I'm going to be measuring out all my butters, oils, emulsifying waxes, melting them down, and then we're going to be mixing them with my stick blender. So I'm just going to speed through this part. I'm not really going to talk too much.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean.
So this is my water phase. I just incorporated my distilled water and my glycerin, and then I wrap both beakers and put them into a water bath and let them both become the same temperature, as well as making sure all my butter is melted completely. And then we're gonna get them to a degree of 158 and let them sit for a little bit, and then that's when you'll add in your preservative.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be.
So I'm using my thermometer to keep track of the heat. That is because I want to make sure that I'm within the degree to add my preservative, which is Germal Plus. As you can see here, you can add 7 to 9 drops per pound, as well as making sure that the temperatures for both the oil and water are under 176. That way the preservative can be added and it's effective. After adding the water phase into the oil phase, you will then start to use your stick blender to mix the mixture. Obviously use a bigger jar. So I had to transfer my lotion over into a bigger cup, and that's what you see here. And what you're gonna do is pretty much blend this every few minutes, like every 5 to 10 minutes. The goal is to really just let it sit so it can cool down, because right now it's really hot, which is why it's still in the liquid form. So once it starts to cool down, it becomes the thicker lotion consistency that you're looking for. And it also depends on the butters that you're using. So I highly suggest that you use a hard butter in your recipe versus just shea butter. So now is the fun part. We're going to be filling our lotion container. So this is what the consistency of a lotion is after sitting for maybe an hour. Yeah, it's perfect. So I'm just gonna start adding it to the bottle. I don't have a funnel, so I'm just gonna have to add this in with the spatula, which honestly I'm used to doing. I already did this lotion before, so I know how to pretty much get into the bottle without too much of a mess. And honestly, it was kind of relaxing doing this, so that's pretty much what I'll be doing for the next clip. And then obviously showing you guys how it pretty much works on the skin. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. And make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And I will see you in the next video, which will be my updated body butter recipe. So stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next one.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.